Welcome to PC Error Detective. Today, we're diving into how to view app history on Windows. If you find our content helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tricks. Let's get started with our step-by-step guide. Step 1. Begin by right-clicking on the taskbar. This is the bar that typically runs along the bottom of your screen. From the menu that appears, select Task Manager. This is your gateway to monitoring your computer's performance and running applications. Step 2. Once the Task Manager window is open, look towards the top for the tab labeled App History. Give that a click. This tab is specifically designed to keep track of the resource usage of your apps. Step 3. Now you're in the realm of app history. Here, you'll be presented with a detailed list of your applications along with their CPU time, which indicates how much processor time they've consumed. You'll also see network usage, which shows the data each app has sent or received over your network. Pay attention to metered network activity and tile updates as well, which can give you insights into background activities of your apps. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can keep an eye on which apps are using your system's resources. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.